Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today I want to show you guys is the default for the lead in and lead out for all your operations. So what I mean by that is if you come in and you add a new profile operation and you go to the link and there's already data put in there for you guys. Well, let's just say that you guys don't want to see maybe an arc in there, maybe you want to see something different. And this kind of gets overlooked quite a bit here. So what I'm going to show you guys is if you guys just close out of there, go to your Tools, SolidCAM Settings, and we'll let these pull up here. And what you want to do is go down to the link section. And right here is all the default links for your face mill, face contour, profile, pocket, all the different operations. So maybe for your profile, you want to do a normal and then an arc off. And you can do that just right in here. So anytime you start a new operation, these will be defaulted for you. Or if you'd just like to do none, and we can just leave it as none, and you'll be set. So there won't be any lead in and lead out for you guys. So just kind of want to show you guys where that is located in the settings for you. Maybe that's something that you guys are going in there and changing every single time, so you can kind of come in here and customize these to your guys' liking. So just want to show you that for the tip of the day, and hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will talk to you guys next week with your tip of the day. Thanks guys. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.